Are you scared of me? The
How
point
can
of this
a
episode.
woman of today who's educated and so well exposed and so self-sufficient go through all of this? How? Why are you going
होने की
through all this?
जरूरत नहीं है. आज क्या बात कर रहे हैं हम?
क्या तुम्हें किस चीज से गिला शिकवा है? बोलो.
मुझे क्यों गिला शिकवा होगा? तुम्हें भी हो सकता है यार.
Isn't this the idea of couple of talks? Whatever grouses you have, you can take
Whatever
it.
grouses I have, I can take it up with you only. I don't need to take it to public.
Sure.
Marriage jokes.
Marriage jokes.
What do you think about marriage jokes?
I think there's no such thing as marriage jokes. I think they're just jokes that hurt people and that jokes that don't hurt people.
So do you think marriage jokes hurt people?
Well, if they are done constantly in to put down the partner, yeah, of course. But if they're done to make light and to be light on one's feet and keep the room bright, but not using your partner constantly as a punching bag, yeah, then it's fun.
If the partner, that is the husband in this case, is
Wait a minute.
Husband in which case?
in our case,
In our,
in
okay.
our
Okay,
case,
okay.
is cracking marriage jokes
Huh.
to fit into the family
Hmm.
because he doesn't know any other way to connect with my family
Hmm.
and is making jokes like, oh, I'm so fearful of her, or oh, you know, she keeps me on a leash, or I to have to ask her before I do something, and something on those lines. Do you
My
think that
God,
is
all of this sounds so caustic and abrasive and offensive. How could you tolerate all this, man?
the
How
point
can
of this
a
episode?
woman of today who's educated and so well exposed and so self-sufficient go through all of this? How? Why are you going
होने की
through all
जरूरत
this?
नहीं है. Let's not talk about us.
No, let's not talk.
Why do you think mostly the men crack marriage jokes and women don't?
I don't think that's true.
It is. I'm not saying there are one or
I've
two.
grown up watching ladies saying, "Arey, mere pati wo to aise hi hai." I've heard that all the time. I mean, listen, any kind of joke is not cool as long as constantly putting that one person down. If you've got a
Exactly.
punching bag,
And with the marriage jokes, the problem is it is putting down your spouse. The
I
thing
think
is
that's
that
a bit too much of a broad stroke to say. That's very unkind to say, oh, all marriage jokes are bad. No, I think
no, I'm not saying all marriage jokes are bad.
don't you realize that
I also laugh at
come our
marriage.
culture now that if someone points out to some sort of offense on social media, and then that sort of offense resonates with a small section of people, and then because it resonated with that small section of people, it suddenly becomes a trend, and then everybody who even doesn't belong to that trend starts saying, yeah, I'm part of that. That happens with me too. But maybe it's not true. Maybe it's just a passing trend and some conversation that didn't deserve so much attention. I think the larger piece is just don't hurt people. Maybe it's about comedy. That what's better fun? The fun that doesn't deprecate anybody or self-deprecate. And see what blessings I'm getting when it's raining while we talk.
Yeah, the rain is saying.
You know, remember I asked you to watch Nanette on Netflix because she sort of went against the grain of self-deprecatory humor.
Yeah.
Self-depreciation is not the price you pay for humor. That's her take.
But I don't mind self-depreciation because you have the right to crack jokes on yourself
But
to
why
some
should
extent.
you?
That's a different topic. I'm saying, but on your spouse, it is. I feel it's an attack, and I also feel that when it's not
But
true,
it is an
relationship
attack.
is.
Because all comedy is tragedy plus time. Think about it.
You going to my father and saying, "Oh my God, I'm scared of her," which is so untrue.
Which
In
is
reality.
what makes it funny.
But they think it's true.
Big deal. If they're like, oh, see another boy.
No, they don't say ha ha ha. They say ha, aisa hi hota, because they think it's true.
What's wrong with that? ऐसा ही होता है, ठीक. So if they feel like,
You are projecting an image of your wife that doesn't exist, and it's not a positive image.
what is the way positive image I should be projecting? Please express.
Are you scared of me?
Very. Can't you see?
See, marriage jokes, if you're
but
cracking
you're
it on a
right, let's say.
situation, if it's a situation or it's a one-off thing that actually happened and you're exaggerating it for humor, that's different. But creating adjectives of my personality that don't exist
Guys,
is
you know what is a definition of a good person I once read? Maybe you can decide for yourself. is also a person who's conscious about how he keeps the air around him, how the atmosphere around him is in the room.
Hmm.
If you can keep that light and bright and a space which is fun and just nourishing and safe for people, nothing bigger than that. To achieve that, if you crack a joke on your wife like I do, I think it's okay. Just don't do it again and again and in such a way that it makes her feel bad, like I did. Obviously, it's making Saloni feel bad.
Sometimes it's fine. I'm not saying that you can't crack a marriage
Please-
joke at all. That's
Give
not
a
what I'm
quantity
saying.
to the men listening, like once
One joke, one joke in 6 months.
one joke in 6 months. There. I say once a week कर लो.
Okay, cut.
किसको cut बोल रहे हो?
तुमको जाओ.
You cut.